Okay, in this screencast, we're going to take a look at managing files. Files are media assets, documents, pictures, videos, what have you on the website. There's a central location to manage all the files, even if they're attached to pages or blogs or what have you, photo galleries. So it lists all the files. It looks very similar to the content administration screen as well as the user or people administration screen. You have an advanced search section where you can start to drill down into what you'd like to view. You also have some bulk operations here about downloading an archive of files. So if you can select all the files here, then hit download and you'll get a zip folder of all the files that you can get, that you can download, and then you can delete the file and you can update the alias. You don't need to worry about update the aliases. It's more of an administrative thing. Taking a look here, you see a thumbnail, you see the file name, the actual file name, who uploaded it, what type of file extension and file type it is, the size of the file, the path of the file, whether it's public or private, where it sits within the directory. Public files, of course, being available to the public, and private files, mostly found in the organic group's private areas. You can see the use count, where it's used. This means that it's not used on anything, so it's not attached to a blog post, it's not attached to a photo gallery. The uploaded date, the date it was, of course, uploaded to the system. And then you have basic operations such as view, edit, and delete. Usage, again, seeing what files these are attached to, or what content types these are attached to. So you can see here, this is attached to 9 different ones. So we can just take a look here and actually see which ones the file is actually attached to. And then we can go and visit those and edit it or change it or what have you. And you can also download the file directly from here. One of the great things too is, if we stop and think about this, we can actually replace all these images. So instead of going to the 9 different content types that this file is actually attached to, we can just hit edit. We can replace this file if we wanted to change that image. But of course, if we wanted to change it in one place, but not the other 8, we'd have to go and edit that actual content type and change it. So you can see there's a replace file here to be able to do that. And we choose the destination. So we can also add files on the fly. Instead of adding, you can add them one by one or in bulk on the files or when you're creating a blog or a page themselves. But we can also upload files. So let's hit add file. And let's go find some images from our desktop. And let's upload some files. And let's start the process. So to upload in bulk, we can upload these file types. If you need added new other file types, just let us know. Up to 1 gigabyte, which is pretty big for a single file. If you have anything over that, obviously just let us know. There might be some videos that might go past that. And we'll hit next. And then it will give us all the files that we just uploaded and be able to edit them all. So when you're doing an image, alt text is information that's given to screen readers. So you might want to give it like, a picture of a world map. The title text, maybe world map. You don't have to add this information if you don't want to. It's up to you. We can replace a file if we want it in the public folder. We're going to make sure. And then the user that it is uploaded, that's us right now. And we can go and do all the photos because we're doing it all in bulk. And then we can hit save. And now our photos are all uploaded to the system. You can see them all right there. Great. And then that leaves it so we can attach them to other files or other content. So for example, if we go in to create a page, you can see now that when we select to upload an image, we get our image browser or a document browser. And we can upload one directly from here, or we can take a look at our library. And the library is exactly the same as this library, but within the content itself. And we can see the files that just we have uploaded, and we can insert them as needed. So heading back on over here, we can also see that we can go to thumbnails, and we can actually view them as thumbnails. Might be a little bit easier to see. Of course, there won't be previews on, say, audio files and that sort of thing. Video, There'd be a video thumbnail that's sent here. Even though the video is on YouTube, it's treated as a local file, which is nice so that we can reuse it over and over again if need be, say on a blog post and on a video content type. And again, you can also manage content on this side here, selecting them all, playing around, whatever you need to, clicking on them to actually view them. Right, and so I think that covers files. Thank you very much for watching.